Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the top new deals for the following week at CVS for the 22nd through the 28th of August. And it's basically just a preview video of what I think are the best deals. And then I'll put together a couple scenarios for you with some CRTs to help you maximize your savings. And that's pretty much what I do in this type of video. So I do want to tell you about the coupons coming up this week, and a lot of the deals in this video will feature the new coupons coming out on the 22nd, this Sunday. So we will be getting two inserts, a Smart Source and a Save insert. Now I am going to tell you that I do order my coupons from BQ Savings. I have ordered from BQ Savings since before I became affiliated with them. Now there are some good things on why I order mine through BQ Savings. Number one, she's one of the only companies out there that does inserts that you can actually see what coupons you're getting. She actually has photos of the inserts she has in her hand. She uses FedEx 2-day shipping for them, and a lot of times we get both versions of inserts that are coming out. So on Sunday, there's two different versions of the Save insert, and she will have both of them, and they will both be included if you purchase them. So that's basically all I'm going to say about inserts. If you do want to order them, there is a link in the description box where you can order them. So the first deal I want to tell you about is the scope. The scope is on sale for $3.99 this week. When you buy one, you'll get back a $2 extra buck with a limit of 2. And we have dollar coupons in the August P&G, which I am loving the past few months. In the August P&G, the oral care items are good all month long instead of just the first 2 weeks. So I'm really happy with that. So then after using those two coupons, you will pay $5.98, get back a $4 extra buck, making them $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. Now we have a lot of good oral care deals and a big variety of them this week. And this is another one that I wanted to show you because I really like when this type of deal comes around. So this is for certain Oral-B and Crest, and I just put the 3D Brilliance because that's the one pictured. But they are spend 12, get back a $4 extra buck, and they're $6.99 a piece. So you buy two of them at $6.99 a piece, and we're going to use two of those 3 off of 1 insert coupons from the August P&G. So that'll bring our total down to $7.98. You will get back a $4 extra buck, making them $3.98 for both of them, or $1.99 a piece, which might seem pricey, but then we're going to couple it with a oral care CRT, with another oral care deal. So for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to use the scope as an example, but you can of course combine it with any other oral care deal that you might want to do. So we're going to grab 2 of the 3D Brilliance, and we're going to grab 2 of the Crest Scope. We're going to use 2 3 off 1 paper coupons and $2 off 1 paper coupons, all from the August P&G. I'm going to use a 5 off 20 oral care CRT. That's going to bring our total down to $8.96. It will get back an $8 extra buck, making all 4 items just 96 cents or 24 cents a piece. And I chose that higher value CRT because I've been only getting higher value CRTs but with a higher threshold. I've not been getting 3 off 12 or 4 off 15s in quite some time. So I just wanted to make that mention for you guys. So next is another oral care deal, I know. And at Walgreens too, there's a ton of them. But this one I'm definitely doing because this Crest Enamel Health is a staple here. So they are on sale for $4.99 this week. And then when you buy 2, you get back a $5 extra buck. So we're going to use 2 of those 2 off 1 Colgate coupons from the 8.15 Smart Source. There's also dollar off ones coming in the 8.22 Smart Source, but you use what you have. Then you would pay $5.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making them 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. And this couldn't come at a much better time because I think I just pulled out the last Colgate Enamel Health that we have. So definitely doing this deal on Monday. Next is the Flips pretzels. The Flips pretzels are on a promotion where you buy 3, you get a $3 extra buck, and they're 3 for $9 or $3 a piece. We have 75 cents off of 1 coupons from the 8.15 Smart Source. You're going to use 3 of those, and you'll pay $6.75. You'll get back a $3 extra buck, but then you'll submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents off of each one of them, making them $1.50 for all 3 of them, or 50 cents a piece. And these are the little bit bigger bags than the typical bags that you can get for not very much money. Also, I wanted to mention that if you have a 2 off 8 candy or snack CRT, use that with this deal, because then it would be a little bit of a moneymaker. So about a 50-cent moneymaker. So next is the L'Oreal ELVIVE. The L'Oreal ELVIVE is buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck. They're on sale 2 for $8 this week. And we are getting a 4 off 2 L'Oreal coupon in the 8/22 save insert. So that means we might also get a digital or printable for this. Now, if you clip that coupon, it may glitch with your paper coupon. It almost always does. I can talk about glitches in a separate video, but for the time's sake, we're just going to go with that it would glitch with it, and then I can tell you how much it would be if it didn't. So what it would do is the digital and the paper coupon would take the $8 off. You wouldn't pay anything out of pocket, and you would get back that $2 extra buck, making it a $2 moneymaker. Now, if that doesn't glitch or we don't get a digital, you would just, of course, use the one paper coupon, but then you would pay $4 in the store, and then you would get back a $2 extra buck, making it $2 for both of them, or $1 a piece. So that's up to you on how you want to do that. I always clip my digitals because sometimes I always need a couple extra coupons, so I always clip my digitals. Next is the Garnier Fructis. The Garnier is buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck, and they're 2 for $7 this week. If the Garnier Pure Clean is just a scent of the Garnier is included, then you're going to grab 2 of those, and it's going to equal out to $7. We have printable coupons that are no longer available from what I can tell, because I can see a little bit on the back end of coupons.com, and it is showing that it is no longer available to link up for you to print. So I'm going to say that it is no longer available, but it actually has a very far out expiration date, I think the 18th of September. So definitely use 2 of those. So then you would pay $3, you would get back a $2 extra buck, making them both $1 or 50 cents a piece. And I think that's a pretty good stock-up price for some shampoo, but of course, with me being me, I will combine it with the L'Oreal and possibly the whole blends, just depending on what type of CRTs I get. But anyways, we're going to buy both of those together. It's going to equal out to $15. We're going to use a 4 off 2 paper coupon for the L'Oreal, 2 off 1 printables for the Pure Clean, the Garnier Pure Clean. We're going to use a 3 off 15 hair care CRT. We're going to pay $4, get back a $4 extra buck, making all 4 hair care products free. Now, say that L'Oreal does glitch, or we have a digital and it glitches, then you would pay $0, and you would get back a $4 extra buck, making all 4 of those free, and a $4 moneymaker. So I just wanted to put that out there in case you do the glitches, or you try to do the glitches. And like I said, I can explain that in much more detail in another video. But to put it simply, you have to have a product for your coupon to attach to, and your item has to be the price or more of the value of the coupon. So the L'Oreal ELVIVE is $4. We have a 4 off 2 paper coupon and a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You have coupons that will attach to each bottle, and since the item is $4 and the coupon is $4, they will both glitch. So that's essentially how it works, but like I said, I can explain it more another time. But that is basically all I have for the best new deals for the next week at CVS. I have a full printable breakdown listed down below for you to utilize if you would like that. I will add more to that as the weekend goes on and I prepare for my regular CVS video. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.